Hello world. Welcome to Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Machine countdown begins. 0987654321.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hello world. Welcome back to Robothought 0 to Hero series. We are on lesson number 3, machine learning standard deviation. Alright guys, I am going to show you what a standard deviation means in terms of machine learning. Alright, so basically guys, think about like this. The standard deviation is nothing but a number that describes how spread out the values are. Now let's go back to our same example. Say, all right, so let's take a look at this particular example, right? Say the bike name. How many brands are there, like Suzuki, Yamaha, Harley, BMW, all those things, right? And the colors and the age of the bike and the speed of the bike and the RTO FC, whether it's yes or no, right? So these are the different types of values in the data points what we have in the data sets, right? So basically a low standard deviation means that most of the numbers are close to the average value. All right, so that's how it works now. And there is also something called high standard deviation, which means the values are spread out over a wider range, right? Typically it's a 3 digit, but it also happens in 2 digits, right? So there are low standard and high standard. Keep that in mind. Low standard deviation, which means that the most of the numbers are very close to the average value, right? Very close, it's not accurate, very close, maybe few floating points. And then the high standard deviation means that the values are spread out over a wider range. All right, so let's look at the low standard deviation, how it works. Now it is practically, using the calculator and your spreadsheet is difficult to calculate, it takes time. The good part is in Numpy library we have a method to calculate the standard deviation using a method called std. It's called std and then open bracket and the close bracket. Let me show you how it works. So let's log into the Jetson Nano. I am already logged in, and let me just enlarge my screen. Let's take a look at this example of std. So what we need to do, obviously we need to import Numpy. Oops, what is happening? 1 second. Using multiple keyboards and multiple screens is always been a challenge. All right, let's import. There you go, my friend. Import Numpy. Where is Numpy? Yeah, there you go. Import Numpy, and then from our examples of data sets, right, the examples of the bikes and the speed and the age, let us take out the speed, right? SPEED, speed equals, and create an array in a square bracket. Say 86, 87, 88, which was the other number? Let me take a look at the example. Yeah, 86, and then again 87 and 85 and 86. Okay, these are just randomly generated samples. So now x equals numpy dot, the method is called std. It should populate. See, can you see that, guys? This is the best part of Python and using Visual Studio IDE. Once your interpreter starts communicating with Python 3, you get all this, drop downs, and you can easily select it. std. Okay, and what of speed. All right, now let us print. Say print x. Now let's run Python file in terminal. There you go. So you are getting a floating point of 0.9833 blah blah whatever, a lengthy number. So this is how this particular method works, guys. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Once you start getting a hang of all these methods, I'm sure the go forward lessons are going to be much more easy and you will really enjoy using machine learning techniques, especially in Jets and Nano, guys. It's going to be really powerful. So this series I'm going to probably about create about 30 to 40 different videos, small videos, about 5 to 10 minutes max, and you will get the concept very clear, and we will start building some very good projects and deploy that into, say, IoT or any of the AI projects or robotics projects. So guys, have fun, and I'm going to be back soon. Bye bye.